Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. So before I start the video, I'd like to thank YouTube for sending this out to me. I really appreciate it. So I believe this is a clapperboard, or I think that's what it's called anyway. I hope I'm saying it right. But yeah, so it comes in this packaging, very nice. Let's take it out. Nothing else in the box. Get out the way. Okay, so you got the YouTube logo there, very nice. Plain box pretty much. No writing on the back either. Let's have a look what's inside. Oi. There you go guys. Oh, this one's laminated. It's got a limited edition YouTube Clapperboard made just for valued partners like you. This one of a kind item is a special thank you for all our hard work, creativity. No problem. Okay. So English, please return this. So it's a clapperboard with a dry wipe pen set. Okay. Let's have a look guys. Bam. Oh shit, that looks nice. That actually looks sick. Wow. Okay, that's pretty good. I like that. Oh wow. So YouTube channel video take date. Wow. What's on the back? Nothing else on the back. So you can obviously write there. Apparently it's easy to wipe as well. Oops. Easy to wipe. And then you got this pen here. Oh yeah, look at that. Very nice indeed. I'm impressed guys. Thank you YouTube for sending this. Can I actually slap this? Let's see. Oh shit. And action. Bloody hell. Oh, it's magnetic. I was thinking why was I struggling to do that then? Can you see? That's what makes that snapping noise. The magneticness. Oi. Action. Okay. Take one 7B2317. Action. There you go guys. Boom bucklet. Well actually I don't know how you actually use these. Like they use them in like movies. Yeah, I guess I'll learn how to use it. So they didn't give anything to wipe it with though. I don't want to use my fingers. Okay. Oh wait, I'll use this. Hopefully it comes off with that. Let's see. Let's put. Oh shit, that's a really nice fine tip pen. I like it guys. Alright, let's see. Does it wipe off very easily? What the fuck? Bro, it disappeared like a fucking... What the hell? Okay, that wipes off very easily. That's crazy. So yeah, it's a very good pen. Very good pen, very good board. I like it. Thank you YouTube, I appreciate it. And yeah, I'm gonna take a nice picture of this. Looks pretty cool. Quite impressed guys. Thank you guys for watching. And thank you YouTube for sending this out. I'll see if I use it in one of my future videos. Once I figure out how to do it, like in the proper way. If you guys know, let me know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Good night.